Welcome to a tutorial on how to manage your classes. Okay, to manage your classes, first you come to admin panel and class. So once you click on class, it opens your classes that have already been created in the school. So your classes are created according to a chronological manner, how you want it arranged, in what sequence, from the nursery to the primary class, or from the junior secondary to the senior secondary. So to be able to manage your classes, they're all created in that manner. The first column you have is your class name, your class group, your promotional average. Then you can edit your class name by clicking on the class name and changing whatever you want to change, and the name changes in front of you. You can change the group, that's saying the classes can be changed from the nursery group to a secondary group. That's where you manage your group depending on what group you want the class to be on. Then you have the promotional average. This is where you manage your average to know if a child can be promoted to the next class, or a child is repeating the existing class, or what percentage does the child know that he has passed or failed a particular subject. This is where you set it for a particular class. Then you have the do results. The do results, this is the part where you can select what term you want a class to do a result or not. Probably for your exam classes, you don't want them to do the result in their third term or their second term. So for SS3 or the primary 5, primary 6, you could select don't do result for third term. So it means that they can only do result for first term and second term. They won't be able to do the result for the third term, and this will not stop the results from being published sooner, as to say that students are not taking the result for that term. Then you have the assigned subclass. This is where you can assign subclasses or divide your classes into different branches, A, B, C, or different names you decide to call your branches. So you can divide your classes into different subclasses. So that's what you have as a subclass. Then you have your allocate subject. This is where you allocate a subject to a class. That is, what subjects are the class doing. So at this point, it means that you have created your subject, and if you have issues creating your subject, you can go to our tutorial on how to create subjects. So you have created your subject, and now you can now come and assign your subject to different classes and select, saying that you want this class to do this subject, or you want this class to stop doing a particular subject. Just click on the name of any of the subjects, tick on the new subject you want to add, and tick on the green button. Automatically you've added a new subject to the class. To remove a subject from the class, you can click on any of the subjects. Click on the subject you want to remove, that's you're unticking the button, and click on the good sign, and automatically the subject will be removed from that class, and you can delete a particular class. Then the next thing is you can create multiple subclasses, like more subclasses. To create more subclasses, you click on create subclass. So you can see different subclasses that has been created. So what you want to do is you want to add an extra column. You type 1. That means you want to add an extra column, and you can now type the name of your new subclass. Maybe good. If it's available, it will let you create. If it's not available, you won't be able to create. The name already exists. So that's how you can just go on and add your subclasses, assign them to your classes. So the next thing is how you'll be able to assign your subject to different teachers for your different classes. That will be in our next tutorial. Thank you.